the animals can be found in different places. So today, we will learn about animal habitat. A habitat is a place where animals live, or the natural home of animals. The animals need the three main things in order to survive, such as food, water, and shelter. Now let's observe the animals and their habitat. Here are the animals that live in the forest, such as tiger, elephant, giraffe, monkey, and some birds. These animals live in the forest. Their habitat is a forest. Some animals live in big bodies of water, like the sea or oceans, like dolphins, whale shark, seahorse, sea turtle, octopus, and some kind of fish. We can also call them aquatic animals. So the ocean or sea is their habitat. Some animals survive the best in the cold place environment, like the Arctic. These animals are polar bear, penguin, narwhal, and seal. So their habitat is called Arctic. The desert. There are some animals who live and survive in the desert, like camel, rattlesnake, meerkat, bighorn sheep. Those are the animals who live in the desert. So desert is their habitat. There are also some animals that live both on land and in water, like frog, crocodile, alligator, duck, etc. So, these are the examples of animals that can live both in water and on land. Land and water is their habitat. Let's have a quiz. Let's match the picture of animals to their habitat. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.